Hi, my name is Brian Finale, and you are here because you are a home business owner, a network marketer, and I also know that because you are a network marketer, you're looking for three things, and that is quality people to talk to every single day, customers for your business, and reps, business builders, distributors, so you can build the team, become the #1 earner, build a huge residual income, walk across the stage, getting those awards. Look, it wasn't just a few short years ago at this point, my goodness, where I was struggling. I was broke. I was actually on my way to 30 grand in debt because I was doing what probably you are doing right now to try and build your business. And it wasn't fun, it was a struggle. And until I found this marketing approach, I'm actually gonna take you up to my home office here and I'm gonna show you exactly what allowed me and my business partners to break free and to attract buyers instead of pitching, convincing, cold calling, all that rejection stuff, none of it anymore, but how to attract buyers for your business. It is real, it is possible, and the business you were promised when you first got started, it's real. I'm gonna prove it to you. Come with me. Quick pit stop. I wanna show you my favorite floor in this house, and it's because when friends come over, we love to play this game. Not so much, poker's fun too, but this. Golden tee right here. I was actually in the middle of finishing up a hole, and I think we're going for birdie here. Here we go. Nailed it. Nailed it. Boom. And we like to have fun here. And what's cool is that when you apply what we're about to teach you, you can create the freedom, financial freedom, time freedom, all the, the stuff that we're promised when we first get started. It's possible. It is possible when you have fresh quality people to talk to. So that's where we're headed right now. You're gonna see this website. When you click the link with this video, we're gonna give you this 3 steps to get customers and reps. No hype, no fluff. That's what you need more of, and that's what we're gonna give you. That's 100% the name of the game. If we can get fresh quality people to your opportunity presentation, to try the product, to take a look at the opportunity, it'll change the game. I've seen it, in fact, not just me, but tens of thousands of success stories. And in fact, just with this one training, Shondo, one of many countless success stories, 75 leads in 30 days with 10 people ready to join my business. That's behind the door. When you click the link here with this video, Shondo, how cool is that? 10 people ready to join your business. How would that change your business? It's real, it's possible. Click the link and we will show you a marketing approach, a way to attract buyers for your specific business. It doesn't matter, previous success, whatever industry niche, whatever the company, whatever the product is, doesn't matter, it will work for you. Click the link and I will be waiting for you on the training to show you exactly how to grow your business and how to break free. We'll see you over there.